Hello guys, this is Oishi from Coding Mind. Like and subscribe our channel to get videos on apps on how to code and how to make an app. So today we will learn how to create an app that is a very simple one, a color changer app. But once we know its usage, we'll be able to make other apps also, I believe. So our first step, there are four steps on coding. I mean on making an app. So there are four steps. So the first step is to think what the app is on. The app is on color changing. So I have thought that I'll make a color change. The second step is to design the app. So for that I need to use a button in the middle of the screen. I can make this button's IDs, let it be like that. So let me make its text as change color. So the button's text is change color. Let me just fix the button over here. Let me keep it here. So I can change the color of this button. I can make this button a little bit of kind of pink. So let me first choose this color. Okay, so I have chosen as the color changing button, and let the text be white as it's looking great. Now I want to make my button a little the writing the button is fine. So if I want to edit this button a little bit more, I can make this button a little rounded. So I have the border radius. I can just make it a little rounded. Note, look here, it's getting rounded. So I'm just changing the border. Let me make it till 40 so it is a little bit of rounded. Now we need to design the screen of this app. So I have the theme over here. So there are so many themes you'll see that I can choose this millennial. This millennial looks fine, but I'll try coral reef. I can just try and see which looks great, which button looks nice enough. I can have this playtime. So this looks fine. This looks fine, and here you can see that I can check at my button's font. I can edit its font, my button's font. I've completed designing the background, so I can just edit its font. I can just make it a little different. So let the font be Trabuchet. So like this Trabuchet font very much. You can choose any type of font you like. So now the screen is ready. Now we need to code the app. So first of all, where we this is an app maker, so we need to make our app. So we have on event button. On event means when clicked. So I will just put this on event button over here. So on event over here in this IDs column, we need to pick this the ID of this button change color, which is button one. So button one. So on event button one click means when I click on button one, what happens? That's our next code. Okay, so now we need to bring this set property button over here. Set property, the ID will be screen one. Then what we want to change? We want to change the background color. So instead of this width, I make it background color. And now I want to make the color to change when I click on this change color button. So I need to bring random color changing button. So it's over here, random number 1 to 10 it's written. But the I will just make it 0 to 255. So from range 0 to range 255 there will be so many colors. And now I finished coding the app. So we have completed three steps. First step is to think what the app will be on. Then we have completed designing the app. Then we have completed coding the app. So now the fourth step is remaining, which is to run and check the app. Let me click on this run. So whenever I click on this change color button, once I check, I've seen that I have some problem in my coding. So I can now edit my problem. What my problem is, I had to put it inside like okay. So what my problem is, I forgot to put this random number inside this bracket, and instead I put it in this whole RGB block. So I need to drag this block over here inside the brackets, and then I need to make changes to it, like 0 to 255. That was my fault. Now I run and check the app. I try changing its so it has not changed, and again I click on it. It has again changed to violet, navy blue color. Then when I again click on it, it changes its color. Then again I click on it, it changes its color. So we have finished completing this app. We have created this app already. Now we need to learn something more. Okay, so this is the main picture. This is the main diagram we are showing to our viewers. So you can see that code the app English to computer language. Now this is the code in computer language. On event button 1 screen, on event button 1 click. This means on event means when, as I said earlier. Button 1 means button is, click means clicked. When button is clicked, set property screen 1 background color green. That means change screen color to green. So this is the main diagram. So these are the two main blocks used on event and set property. So I can translate computer's language to English like this. You can just watch this diagram, take a screenshot, or learn it by your heart. Now, now have a look into it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share our channel Coding Mind to get more videos like this. We, the people of Coding Mind, have already made two videos. One is on binary strings programming, and another is on the basic mobile application design. So today we created a live app in front of you, which showed you how the app works, and we showed you its code, its design. Like and subscribe our channel to get more coding videos. We promise you that we'll show you exactly the right videos, and we have a choice. We have the correct choice. We know what we have to show you and what we don't. So thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Share it with your friends and family so that they can also learn from us.